Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 20th, 2025, and we're diving into Monte Rosa Therapeutics' fourth quarter 2024 financial results. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, can you give us a brief introduction to Monte Rosa Therapeutics and the highlights of their latest report?
Thank you. Monte Rosa Therapeutics is a clinical-stage biotechnology company focused on developing molecular glue degrader-based medicines. Their latest report highlights significant progress in their clinical programs, particularly with MRT-6160 and MRT-2359, and a strong financial position with collaboration revenues and a solid cash reserve.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Monte Rosa reported collaboration revenue of $60.6 million for the fourth quarter. How does this impact their profitability, John?
Monte Rosa's collaboration revenue, primarily from agreements with Roche and Novartis, significantly contributed to their net income of $13.4 million for the quarter. This is a remarkable turnaround from a net loss of $33.3 million in the same quarter last year. However, for the full year 2024, they still reported a net loss of $72.7 million, though it's an improvement from the previous year's loss of $135.4 million.
And what about their cash position?
They have a robust cash position of $377 million, which is expected to fund operations into 2028. This financial stability is crucial for their ongoing and future clinical trials.
Clinical program developments. Monte Rosa has been making strides in their clinical programs. Can you elaborate on the developments, particularly with MRT-6160 and MRT-2359?
Absolutely. MRT-6160 has shown promising results in Phase 1 trials, demonstrating over 90% VAV1 degradation and significant inhibition of T and B cell functions. This positions it well for Phase 2 studies. Meanwhile, MRT-2359 is showing encouraging clinical responses in castration-resistant prostate cancer, which will be their focus moving forward. Additionally, their NK7 program is on track for an IND filing in the first half of 2025, indicating strong pipeline progress.
Financial and strategic outlook. Looking at their expenses, R&D and G&A costs have increased. How does this align with their strategic outlook?
The increase in R&D expenses to $38.9 million reflects their active clinical and preclinical pipeline, including collaborations with Novartis and Roche. G&A expenses also rose to $8.8 million, supporting their operational growth. Strategically, they are well-positioned with upcoming milestones, including multiple IND filings, which could drive future growth.
EPS forecast and market reaction. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 37 cents. How did the actual results compare, and what was the market's reaction?
While the actual EPS wasn't explicitly stated, the positive net income for the quarter suggests they outperformed expectations. The market has reacted positively, with the share price remaining stable, reflecting confidence in their strategic direction and financial health.
Key takeaways. In summary, Monte Rosa Therapeutics has delivered a strong performance in Q4 2024, with a net income of $13.4 million and a solid cash position. Their clinical programs, particularly MRT-6160 and MRT-2359, show promising developments. With a robust pipeline and strategic collaborations, the future looks bright for Monte Rosa. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Monte Rosa's progress.
Thank you to our viewers for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Monte Rosa's performance in the comments below.